Don't. I am warning you, my friend. Don't join the Legacy Builder program until you watch this video to the very end, because this program is not for everybody. Okay? Make sure you stick around to the very end of this training, because I will be sharing with you who this opportunity is for. Okay? Who am I? I am the amazing Angela from partnersangela.com. And in this video, I want to give you all the reasons why you should not join this program. Do not join the Legacy Builder program if you have the get rich quick mentality. What I mean by that, you see all these people around you who are making thousands, yes, thousands, earning 5, 6, 7 figures. Yes, we have millionaires in this program, right? You see them and you want to join and expect that you're going to get those results instantly, right? You don't know who these people are. You don't know how long they've been online. You don't know the amount of time they put in the program, right? So do not join this program if you have that get rich quick, right? You want to make money quick. Do not join this program if you have a poverty mindset. What I mean by that is when you don't join this program thinking about all the money that you're going to lose, right? And trying to hold on to that money and having this pressure to actually get the money back, because you're sending out all these negative vibes and that are going to work against you. So do not join this program if you have a poverty mindset where you're looking at how much it's going to cost you, right? Thirdly, do not join this program if you don't have the time and the desire to learn, right? This program is a step-by-step proven blueprint that takes you by the hand and walks you step by step through learning the skills to build a sustainable digital business. So if you don't have the time to invest in learning, and you don't have the time to invest in applying what you're learning, at least 2 hours a day on applying what you're learning, then definitely this is not for you. Do not waste your time, right? Do not waste your time. Do not join this program if you don't want to get paid 100% commissions, paid instantly and directly to you. If you prefer for somebody else to take the money, a different company holds the money for you, and then you have to request a withdrawal, pay withdrawal fees. If you don't want all that, then don't join this program, right? This program pays you 100% commissions, paid instantly and directly, right? Do not join this program if you cannot follow simple step-by-step instructions. This program is like a franchise, right? It gives you, it's a blueprint, a proven step-by-step blueprint. Just like if you were to join Starbucks, McDonald's, right? You are paying for the program as it is, the company as it is, right? So if you're going to want to change it and you're not willing to follow what is proven to work, then don't waste your time. This is definitely not for you, okay? Do not join this program if you're not coachable, if you're not teachable, right? If you are, you're going to have, not only will you get the program delivered to you, you'll actually get access to live coaching and mentorship programs from 6, 7-figure earners, right? So you have to be willing to show up for these trainings and then apply what you're learning. By the way, you can actually unmute yourself, ask any questions, be coached live, and be put in breakout rooms. So if you're not willing to invest the time in attending the live trainings, in asking questions, in sharing, following what we need to do in the breakout rooms, definitely do not join this program, right? So do not join the Legacy Builder program if you are not hungry to change your financial situation. If you are not where you want to be in life and you're happy moaning and complaining instead of doing something about it, then don't join this program. It's not for you. However, if you are hungry, if you have this big, hairy, audacious goals, but don't know how to get there. This could be the missing link. This could be the vehicle that could get you from zero to having 10K days, $10,000. It could get you from zero to $10,000 in the next 30 days, right? So you have to have that hunger. You have to understand your why, know your why, because your why will keep you going, okay? So join it if you're hungry. Join it if you're willing to invest money and time, because once you invest money in it, you're actually purchasing a program, right? A live interactive coaching and mentorship program that's going to take you by the hand and walk you through step by step how to earn 6 figures in 6 months. This program was designed by a grandmother of 6 children and 5 grandchildren who went from 0 following, 0 subscribers, 0 likes, 0 content, 0 penny to $1.6 million in 20 months, right? So if you want to learn from her, right, learn how she put together a proven step-by-step blueprint. She's on a mission to help 1,000 people earn 6 figures, and it's happening. We have a community. I'm going to introduce you to a community of people who are earning this kind of money. Our community has 36,000 members in it, and all paid members. Okay, so join this if you would like the chance to learn how she did it, to learn her secrets, and to be coached by not just her, but other 6-figure, 7-figure earners every week. And you even get videos every day. You get bite-sized videos of where she's coaching and mentoring you through this journey, right? So join this if you're coachable, if you're teachable, and if you're able to follow simple step-by-step instructions, right? Join this if you want to learn how to brand yourself. If you want to start branding your companies, your leaders, and you want to establish yourself as an authority, right? Join this program. If you want to learn how to build an email list, join this program. If you want to learn how to nurture that list, build a relationship with them, get them to know, like, and trust you, join this program. Join this program if you want to turn your social media profile into a lead generation machine. Let me ask you this. Are you wasting time on TikTok, Facebook, Insta, just liking and scrolling for no reason, right? Do you know that these are platforms that people are using to earn hundreds and thousands of dollars? If you want to learn how to use this platform to build a sustainable business, join this program. Lastly, join this program if you want to learn how to earn multiple streams of passive income, right? By just while you're branding yourself, while you're building your list, how you can activate multiple income streams, okay? So what I want to do now is I want to actually introduce you. I'll have one of our members here just talk to you via video, and then I'm going to go ahead and introduce you to our community, show you live in real time what's happening in our community, okay? So let's let Alison here share.
I'm so happy that I knocked fear in the face and I said yes to this amazing opportunity. So my name is Allison and I'm a special needs mom who cannot work out of the house. When I was on TikTok, I saw a live video that was talking about a 2-hour workday and learning how to make daily pay. And I said, oh my God, I need to try this. And I am so happy that I did, because I am literally not even 2.5 months in. I made $13,000 as a complete newbie. And I stink at technology. So I was so scared that I was going to need technology. I did not. So I'm just saying it has been such a dream come true. This community that we have got added into is absolute gold. Everybody wants everybody to win, and it's nothing like I've ever seen before. So I'm just so happy that I said yes to this, that I'm learning absolutely all the skills that I need. And I know when I look back at this a year from now, I'm going to be a part of that $1 Million Club. So it's amazing. Very, very amazing. I'm so happy I said yes.
Yeah, see, she's on a mission to make 1,000 millionaires. And do have a few of them in our community, right? So Allison is on that mission as well. So here, let me introduce you to what our community members have to say on a daily basis, right? So you can see here, I have a live mentoring call I have to attend in 59 minutes by Amy. Amy is a South African millionaire who's absolutely crushing it. So she teaches us how she's doing it, okay? So congratulations to Christy. 14 minutes ago, another $900 sale that makes a total of $6,300 in 12 weeks. These sales are all from Facebook. I've not yet opened a TikTok account, but I've been posting daily about this new business. This just proves that people who know me and trust me, okay? I'm not going to go further on that. Naquita, 22 minutes ago, so excited. She got 6 leads. Ads. Biggest blessing. Abby, 11 hours ago. Congratulations, Abby. $45,200 in 8 weeks. I'm in awe and so thankful. I sat and watched for months before I decided to go for it. Glad I did. Just wish I could have started sooner, right? Keep going. You can do this. Jasmine, 9 hours ago, my first $900 sale. Oh my God. I honestly can't believe it. Before the sun had even come up, I scored a $900 payment in my Stripe. I never thought I could do this. This is what 2 months of consistency looks like, okay? Took Jasmine 2 months to get her first $900 sale. Here's sharing a tip. I can go live on TikTok, absolutely determined. Misty Carey, 17 hours old, $30,000, $30,600, just shy of 7 weeks. Congratulations, Misty. It's been 7 weeks and you've earned $30,600. Antoinette, 4 hours, made a $100 sale. Happy dance, made a $100 sale. Katie, 6 days ago, $900 for Freedom Friday. $900 before lunch. It doesn't get old. So grateful for this amazing program. Congratulations, right? Only the beginning, first sale. 8 hours ago, Allison, we made our first sale on Friday. Super excited to make more. Christopher, 2 hours ago, $300 ding at 1 a.m. The best money is sleep money. Nothing beats an automated system that makes money at night, okay? And Christopher shares the screenshot there. Congratulations, you made a sale, okay? Love getting those notifications. I'm looking for financial wins. I'm looking for figures. Bonga, 5 days ago, made $46,251 in 6 weeks since the 3rd of July, 2024. This is 846,400 South African rands, okay? I'm so grateful to the Lord Almighty for this business. Sandra, I made my first $900 today. Ding. I'm so happy and grateful that I made my first $900. It feels so fantastic. My plan is to have $12 $900. And the reason that she wants to have that is the same goal that I have, is because that's going to bring her to 10,800 monthly, okay? That month. So that's her screenshot that she's sharing there. Absolutely amazing. Yeah. Congratulations, Sandra. Let me see. Wins Mwikali, 3 hours ago, made my first $100 sale after 7 weeks of showing up for my business and being consistent, right? As those 7 weeks, Mwikali is learning skills, right? Once she masters them, she just rinses and repeats. Christelle, 5 days ago, 3,000 today. What? Nothing could have prepared me for this amazing, radically life-changing opportunity. I just earned 54,000 in a single day, okay? Congratulations, 54,000 rands in a single day, which is $3,000. Congratulations, Christelle. I'm almost a dollar millionaire. I can't believe this. I've made millions in my own currency, rands, and I'm doing this for 11 months. I'm going to be a dollar millionaire, y'all. Wow. Imagine earning dollars, being a dollar millionaire in South Africa, right? That's absolutely amazing. So what I want to do is invite you, if you are coachable, hungry, teachable, willing to follow simple step-by-step instructions, I want to invite you to click the link below to get access to our 10K in 30 days guide. I will send you this via email. Make sure to check your spam, your promotional folder, because I want to actually give you access to a private community where you can link arms with other members who are sharing their experience, their journey. You can ask any questions and respond to my email as well. Let's have a conversation. Let's see if this is the right fit for you, because the whole point of this video was to show you that it's not for everybody, right? So thank you so much for watching this video to the very end. If you found value in this video, go ahead and smash that like button. And remember, subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on more training from me. I've been the amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com, wishing you the best year ever. Thank you.